Saving is easier when you have a plan. Follow these steps to create one. Sometimes the hardest thing about saving money is just getting started. This step-by-step guide can help you develop a simple and realistic strategy, so that you can save for all your short and long-term goals. Record your expenses. The first step to start saving money is figuring out how much you spend. Keep track of all your expenses. That means every coffee, household item and cash tip, as well as regular monthly bills. Record your expenses however is easiest for you: a pencil and paper, a simple spreadsheet, or a free online spending tracker or app. Once you have your data, organize the numbers by categories, such as gas, groceries and mortgage, and total each amount. Use your credit card and bank statements to make sure you've included everything. Include saving in your budget. Now that you know what you spend in a month, you can begin to create a budget. Your budget should show what your expenses are relative to your income, so that you can plan your spending and limit overspending. Be sure to factor in expenses that occur regularly but not every month, such as car maintenance. Include a savings category in your budget and aim to save an amount that initially feels comfortable to you. Plan on eventually increasing your savings by up to 15 to 20% of your income. Find ways to cut spending. If you can't save as much as you'd like, it might be time to cut back on expenses. Identify non-essentials, such as entertainment and dining out, that you can spend less on. Look for ways to save on your fixed monthly expenses, such as your car insurance or cell phone plan, as well. Determine your financial priorities. After your expenses and income, your goals are likely to have the biggest impact on how you allocate your savings.